small part of this equation.
Yeah, equation. We're going to make her do math now.
That's all we've been doing over there, computing, beep, boop, beep, boop, back in the weather center.
That's what we're hearing, really. It's
It's not like that at all.
We just sit and argue back there the entire morning for 6 hours. No, but it is going to be very active for us. We have a lot going on, from snow up near northern Indiana, wind, rain, thunderstorms. It's just going to be location dependent and actually time dependent as well. Right now, we're just seeing a few showers right now, heavier in nature, just south of the city, where we see some of those oranges or reds. That's where we're seeing some of that thicker and heavier rainfall. Bloomington, near parts of Terre Haute, southern Indiana, nothing severe this morning, although we're getting a few lightning strikes down near the Louisville area. This expansive system is impacting areas from Oklahoma now into parts of Indiana, and it's going to continue to track northward. So it's going to continue to give us not only rain, but also gusty winds, potential for flooding, and then also a little bit of some snow up near northern Indiana through the later part of the day. And we're not going to rule out a gusty thunderstorm or two. Right now, we have a slight risk, so level 2 out of 5 across Indianapolis and points southward. A slightly elevated risk down near southern parts of the state as we head through the middle part of the day. So around noon to around 3 o'clock is when we're anticipating seeing some of these stronger to severe thunderstorms begin to pop. Flooding also a concern for us as well as we head through the day. The reason why is because of this. We're going to see some widespread heavier pockets of rain set up as we get closer to, say, noon. That's when our shower chances become a bit more scattered. But here's that severe weather threat. By around 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, could pick up a gusty thunderstorm out of this. Once we get through this evening, we'll start to see a transition over. So by around 6, 7 o'clock and through the remainder of the evening hours, that's when we'll see that potential for some heavier snow set up from about Lafayette, Kokomo, possibly 2 points northward. Eventually, by around midnight, we should begin to see all of the precip begin to subside, quieter conditions leading into early Saturday morning. We do have a flood watch for heavy rain around 1 to 2. There could be an isolated 3 inches of rain by the end of this evening and early tomorrow. We're looking at around 2.5 inches here in the city, and points south and southwest a bit closer to 3 inches out near Terre Haute. And then areas north, we have winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories. That's where we're anticipating some hefty snowfall totals upwards of around, say, 4, 5, 6 inches. Could see a little bit more near South Bend, extending into southern Michigan. And we could see around an inch a bit closer to, say, Lafayette and Kokomo by early tomorrow morning. It's also going to remain very gusty as well. Wind gusts 40, 50. In some extreme cases around 55 to 60 miles per hour, especially as we head through the afternoon. So very active for us over the next 12 to 24 hours. Live look from our Which TV tower cam. Most certainly a soggy start. Temperatures are in the low 40s. We don't really warm up a whole lot today. I think we'll be in the upper 40s here in the city at 47, 50 in Bloomington, 53 down near parts of Columbus. Today, just expect to see that chance of a shower or thunderstorm anytime during the afternoon. Severe weather threat again early afternoon. 47 will hit that by 5, and then lows tonight will bottom out near freezing. Luckily, we see a real quick rebound this weekend. Does begin to quiet down. Slightly breezy Saturday. Highs near 50 degrees, and then by Sunday we should top out in the upper 50s. A little bit warmer. And as we get deeper into your work week next week, we're going to start to tailor back some of those temperatures as we do see much cooler air begin to move in. You'll notice that here in the extended forecast here. Saturday and Sunday actually look great. We're dry, 57 degrees. Monday, temperatures in the mid-60s with a few afternoon showers, and then we'll start to taper off those numbers through the end of your work week here. Tuesday, 51. We're in the mid-40s by Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday for right now. I think it's going to be a struggle to make it out of the 30s, but at least we're dry with a mixture of some sun and clouds. Marcus?
All right, thank you, Steph.